I feel like as traders we're different, ne?
Mm.
Mina, I have my own mindset. Like if the money is not in your bank account, then it's not yours. So
It's not yours. Yeah.
after making profit each and every time, I withdraw.
Yeah. So shout out to everyone who joined the live, man. We're about to hit 100 views right now. But yeah, man, this is the 5th episode of my journey, episode number 5. Let me just pin that. And I'm not alone, man. You know, we always have traders on the series to share the story. So what's up, bro? I hope you're doing well, man.
You know, I'm nice, dog.
Yeah, man, you're doing well, I believe.
Yeah,
Yeah,
pushing.
bro. Yeah, so yeah, man, first of all, for those people who don't know you, and for those who are seeing you for the first time today, just introduce yourself to the people. Tell us about yourself, where you from, how you were raised, you know, the typical interview question when we start, man.
Okay, okay. I go by the name of Taylor Nasdaq. Um, Taylor is my real name, ne?
Yeah,
So I was born and raised in Limpopo, Tsanin, and I'm
okay.
19 years old.
19 years old.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm 19 years old. Yeah, and like
Yeah.
now I'm staying in Gauteng, and I'm doing my second year in Fisher.
University.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you came to Josie, you chasing the Josie dream, and yeah, man. Let's go. Yeah, so like we all here because you know you're a forex trader. You young, you still young, bro, and you know, uh, we see that you're doing well for yourself, bro, in terms of the trading stuff. So tell us, bro, like backtrack. Where does your trading journey start? You know, where did you learn about forex? How did you find out about forex? And someone says just raise your voice a little so that everyone can hear you.
Mm, ish. I started knowing about Forex in 2018. I think I was
Yeah.
in grade 11 by that.
Okay.
So yeah, it was 2018. I was at school this Saturday morning. So
Yeah.
I saw someone trading a demo there, but I didn't know by that time kore real account king demo king.
Yeah.
So that time I was not using a MT phone. Eh? There was this other
Yeah.
app called IQ Options.
Oh
Yabona?
yeah. Yeah. Okay, options.
Yeah, so I started using that app, and that time $10 was like 150. Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was on that app. I was playing with the demo, and then it ended up funding, $10 because $10 was the minimum deposit on that app.
Yeah.
And yeah, so yeah, like that app is different from MT4, but yeah, trading is trading.
Oh
So I
yeah.
remember I made my first withdrawal was like 60 USD. It was 1K. And I was still in
Yeah.
grade 11 in 2018.
Yeah.
Yeah, and
So
then
you found out about forex. Now, sorry to cut you off. You found out about forex through someone you saw at school. Were they trading IQ options or was it MetaTrader?
it was IQ options.
Oh, okay. So you withdraw your $60 and how did that feel? Because I'm sure it was your first time entering the market. Nah.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So after withdrawing my first K, bruh, I took I think it was 400, and I bought a T-shirt. I still have that T-shirt even now. But one Sarah Fila T-shirt. Then the rest,
Okay.
I chowed it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
so from, from there, I saw another student at school. He was doing MT4, but he was on a demo one.
Yeah.
So that that's why I got interested, and then I switched to MT4. But then at first it was very confusing for me because on MT4 you need a broker. On IQ options, it's a broker on its own. One. So
Yeah.
it was a bit confusing for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then I started trading, pushing the skill, demo account. Yeah, so like Flopper, the time I joined MT4, I was still 16 years old, ne?
Yeah.
So I was 16, so it was hard for me to register because they wanted uh bank statements, like
Oh
a lot
yeah.
of things, bruh. One.
Yeah. So they basically
Mm,
wanted
so
documents because you weren't legal to start entering the financial market. Yeah.
yeah,
Yeah.
so
So
okay,
yeah.
and then mm,
Yeah. You can go on.
okay. Yeah, so it was hard for me to open a real account. So I pushed the demo account till I went to grade 12 in 2019. I think I was 17 years old.
Yeah.
Hey, 2019, yeah, I was 17.
Yeah.
So yeah, grade 12, I wasn't like trading because, grade 12, bruh, you're always at school, like, you know.
Oh yeah. So throughout your high
So
school
yeah,
journey, you were practicing and you were just trading demos just to get yourself familiar with Forex. Nah?
mm, yeah.
Yeah. So tell me about the first time you decided to take this seriously and open your first real account. How did that go when you were legal enough to trade?
Okay, it was 2020, the time I started with my first year, ne?
Okay.
I turned 18, 2020, May. That's where I became legal. Ne?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I had some ZAC, but I didn't like deposit same time because, I had to like practice first, you know.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's when I became legal and I was like, no, let me just push Forex.
Yeah.
Yeah, so last year, 2020, lockdown,
Yeah.
yeah, I was still pushing a demo, but that time demo. Then I funded my first real account on MT4. I think it was around September.
September. And
One.
how much did you fund at that moment?
I think it was 2K. It was 2K.
Okay, 2K. So yeah, man, walk us through the journey of funding that 2K. How did that go, man? Because I know what it's like funding for your first time. It's, when you see negative 100 Rand or 200 Rand ish, you're scared because that's money you've been working for a long time. So how did that go? Did you have fear? How did you approach the market?
Yeah, bruh. Like it was scary, bruh, cause 2K is a lot of Zach, and like I didn't know what's gonna happen, cause trading a demo and the real account, it's
Hmm.
two different things. Cause real account emotions are involved, so
Yeah.
it was hard, but then I had to, you know.
Yeah. What happened?
So so I funded that 2,000 and I was trading Nasdaq each and every day, half past 3 NYSE. Ne?
Yeah.
So at first, I think it was on a Tuesday when I opened a position. It went into negative, same time minus 5K, but I closed. Like,
Ish.
I couldn't hold, bro. Like, yeah, you know that feeling.
Yeah, yeah,
Then, then the following day, I had my own strategy of 1 for 3, like 1 minute time
yeah.
frame. My friends know.
Oh yeah,
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 so the following day, Katsena again. I had 1.5 left, two
yeah,
positions, and I made profits. 3. It was a sale. I remember it was a sale. Each
yeah.
position was like 1.5, and I had an equity of 4.5 after closing those profits. I
So
remember.
you closed those profits, and what were you risking? Were you risking the entire account, or was just like a standard lot size for Nasdaq?
I was risking the entire account because I had 1.5 left after losing that 500 the previous day.
Yeah.
I'm back, dog.
Oh yeah, you back. It was just network, nah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. I don't know what it
yeah. So I hear you pushed the account from 1K, 1.5K to 4K.
4.5.
Yeah, and what did you do after that?
So it was around end of September when I had that 4.5 in my account.
Hmm.
Yabona. So
Yeah.
I withdrew that Zaka. It reflected after like the following day.
Okay.
Yabona. So I went to social club in Pretoria. Ne?
Yeah. Wait, before you get to that part, man, this is just crazy because not everyone gets an opportunity to withdraw after funding their very first Forex account, man.
Mhm.
Yeah. So how did you feel?
Yeah, like bruh, it was a nice feeling because from I funded 2K and the next thing I had 4.5, you know,
4.5.
and
Yeah.
the previous day, yeah, and previous day I lost 500 and I felt like, yeah, yeah, you know,
Yeah.
so yeah,
Yeah.
so it
So
was
you
a
withdraw
good
your money.
feeling, bruh.
Next day you go to the club. That's what you were saying.
Yeah, I went to social club. When I got there, I was with my friends.
Yeah.
So like I didn't want to spend all my money. Like I just wanted to spend like maybe a K or two or one.
Yeah.
Because yeah, things were
Yeah.
tough that listen.
Yeah. I think.
So when I got there, that's when
Yeah.
hmm?
Yeah. Yeah. I like the point
So
that you're making. Just continue, and then I just wanna ask a question after.
okay. So I went to social club. So when I got there, I was with my friends.
Mm.
So after getting a table, I went to the bar, to order Hennessy because my
Yeah.
withdrawal was in. So that's where I met Zakes. Because the time I wanted to buy the bottle, I saw champagne laws there and doing the most.
Yeah.
So hey bruh, like I stood there for like 30 minutes looking at champagne laws, bruh, like
Yeah.
mm,
Yeah.
bruh.
That's
So
dope.
yeah, I was I was inspired, dog. Like I was inspired. So I stood there for like 30 minutes and then I shouted his name. He looked at me and then I asked for a picture.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
Yeah. So after
That's
taking a
dope.
picture, bro, I was a happy dog. Like
Inspired.
I was inspired.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what I like about what you just said, nah? Is that with your withdrawal, you went out to go like enjoy yourself, which most traders don't do because most traders they trade, and they never get to feel their money. So I want to ask you, how important is it to withdraw your money and spend it? And at the end of the day, you know that I worked for this. I know that Forex is real. It can give me the life I want. How important is it to withdraw your money and spend it?
I feel like as traders we're different, ne?
Mm.
I have my own mindset. Like if the money is not in your bank account, then it's not yours. So
It's not yours. Yeah.
after making profit each and every time, I withdraw.
Yeah.
Like even if it's 5 clip, I withdraw your profits. Like
Yeah.
that's how I do my thing. Like I withdraw my profits.
Yeah. So that's advice you'd give to someone who's starting out. Whatever you make, just withdraw it so you know that it's real.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Like
So
withdraw the money. Like don't. Okay.
yeah, don't.
Yeah. So that night was lit, and then a chai, and then I was inspired. So I was left with I think 2 point something in my bank account.
Yeah.
Yabona.
Yeah.
I didn't fund that week. Like I didn't fund. Like I was just relaxed.
Yeah.
Because school. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's when I went on Instagram, then started you know looking at sakes and
Yeah.